number 29, Lopez. Pass to Aguinaldo. Back to Lopez. Jersey number 11. Jersey number 59. Jersey number 11. 15 on the shut up. Jersey number 11. Lays it up. It's good. Bottom corner rebound on jersey number 27. Jersey number 11. And it's over 2. Jersey number 29. Jersey number 22. Early foul committed jersey number 23. That is first foul. First lead foul. 16-second shot clock. 16 seconds to shoot. Corner pass to jersey number 26. To jersey number 22. Up another right sugar. Jersey number 11 pass to jersey number 29. To jersey number 23. Pass to Aguinaldo. Setting the play. Crossover moves. That's the middle. Lays up for Shanyang. Para jersey number 11. It's still good. To jersey number 29. Makes it 5 for 3. It's still good. Down rebound. Para jersey number 15. To jersey number 22. The intercept to jersey number 27. Jersey number 27. Glenn Mabel on the run. It's it up. It's still good. About 18 seconds to shoot. Corner pass, jersey number 29, Lopez, jersey number 23. Back to Lopez, 12 on the shot clock. Looking for the screen, 8 on the shot clock. There's a foul committed by jersey number 22. That is first foul, first lead foul. Para sa Barangay Ilang-Ilang. 14 seconds shot clock, 14 seconds to shoot. Lopez pass to jersey number 27, jersey number 29. Easy go, it's good for 2. Jersey number 22. It's jersey number 11. Intercepted, jersey number 29. 200 meter. Attack, give it. Jersey Rizal. Foul to jersey number. First foul, jersey number 29. That is first foul, second team foul. Timeout, Barangay Ilang-Ilang. Time remaining 8 minutes and 29 seconds to play. Para sa ating second quarter score, 34-25. A 9-point lead para Barangay Ilang-Ilang. Back to the ball game. Time remaining 8 minutes and 29 seconds to play. Para sa